Custody for men is one of the most tragic things. We hear about it over and over again. And every single man that starts out fighting for custody is going to have to deal with a corrupt family court system, corrupt judges, bad lawyers, a business that will take your money. And there are good judges, lawyers, all these different things out there, but family court is the Wild West. It's exploited. There's no due process like we have in criminal and civil courts, and I guess it may depend on your state and county with that, but it is unique and different. Knowing that as a man going in that, and knowing that as a man you can get attacked in these ways of false allegations, narcissistic abuse, female narcissistic abuse gets exploited in unique ways towards men. It also does towards women as well, but with men it could put many men in jail. It has put many men in jail who are innocent, who are not child abusers, who are framed in that sort of way, and the court spins it out of control. Guys, we need to highly educate ourselves on the law, on the process. We need to understand that, yes, the family court turns men into victims and screws them in huge ways, but if we have a case, we have to focus on that case. I get guys in here that say that the judge didn't listen to them, the judge didn't listen to their evidence. Okay, this is your starting place. Your starting place is that's how bad it is. So how does it work? Who wins? Who has won in high conflict custody battles in court systems all over the US? These are guys in my group. What do they do that's different? And I don't want to say it's easy. It's not just a decision. It's a long 6-month, 2-year process of every day learning the laws, adapting on the fly, being able to look at an unfair decision that is unfair and unjust and still say, okay, what could I have done better to convince the court to let me be a dad? And I know that all sucks. It's horrible. But if you're in that position and you're willing to fight for your kids, this is where you start. This is where you start. If you need some help, watch my free YouTube videos. There's tons of long format videos. There's series on parental alienation, false allegations, fighting these things, finding lawyers, all those different things. And there's also my 30 and 30 high conflict custody battle. I don't know why TikTok suppresses my long format videos that are 10 minutes or so. It just shouldn't let me upload them. I get thousands of videos or thousands of views on every other video, but in those I get 20 or 30 views. It's ridiculous. Anyway, check out my YouTube, check out my free high conflict custody portal, and it will teach you how to win.